Question 16. Equation of a graph consisting points xy, the distance to origin is double distance to the point 0, 3. Okay, let's have a line to understand the question better. Any point xy on our graph will be shown, any point on the graph will be shown as xy. We are talking about 3 points. One of them is xy, the other is origin, the other point is mentioned, which is 0, 3. And this question is actually about distance between the 2 points. There will be 2 distances. One of them is the distance from origin to xy, let's call as d1. The other distance is the distance going to be xy to 0, 3, it is d2. How do I understand this? The points xy whose distance to origin is double their distance refers xy, all xy. So let me calculate each distance one by one. We should remember how to find distance between 2 points. Difference of x minus 0 to the power of 2 plus y minus 0 to the power of 2, and d1 becomes square root of x squared plus y squared. The other distance is d2. It is going to show us distance between xy and 0, 3. Difference of x coordinates x minus 0 square plus y minus 3 to the power of 2. d2 is going to be x minus 0 x squared. We may also expand this binomial. It becomes square of binomial y squared minus 6y plus 9. There is nothing to do as operation, so we are going to keep them same. If I turn back to my question again, one of the distance, if we call this distance as d1, double the other distance. So I can say distance d1 only translate word by word. One of the distance is twice of or double of the other one. Since it is mentioned first, how do I know distance 1 is double of distance 2? The first distance is distance from xy to origin. Xy to origin we called as d1, so d1 is double the other distance. If we write each of them in its place, d1 is square root of x squared plus y squared. d2 is twice of the other distance x squared plus y squared minus 6y plus 9. To go in the solution, we have to be free of roots, so I am going to take square of both sides. But pay attention, you have 2 in front of your expression, so don't forget 2 inside of your parentheses. Square of square root, sometimes I lose the mouse, it will be x squared plus y squared here, but in other part square of 2 becomes 4 times the expression inside of root. X squared plus y squared plus 6y, minus 6y minus 6y plus 9. Of course, to solve this I have to multiply each term by 4. Keep this x squared plus y squared is equal to 4x to the power of 2 plus 4y to the power of 2. 4 times minus 6y becomes minus 24y plus 36. If I look at the choices, they are written by using perfect square, so step by step I should close my parentheses. As a first step, I can take each unknown to other side. So the difference is 3x to the power of 2 plus 3y to the power of 2. Sorry for taking this part. Minus 24y plus 36 is equal to 0. Each term in the equation can be simplified by 3. So I am going to simplify each term by 3. So x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0. I am very close, but I didn't complete my operation. Since there are the parentheses, I should go on. Okay, x squared is itself. X squared, okay. If you have y squared and y, you need one more term as a constant. So in the end, you are going to get a perfect square expression. Y squared minus 8y, half of the middle term 4, the square of 4, there must be 16. And I have already 12 there. Since I add 16, to cancel this in other side, I have to do the same operation to keep my equation in a balance. Since this is extra for us to write 16, so write 16 in other side to keep your equation. And we are going to get x squared plus, this part can be written as a square of y minus 4. And if I take plus 12 here, 16 minus 12, x squared plus y minus 4 square is equal to 4. Answer is D. Question 17. The question about distance between a point and a line. But if I pay attention, y, only y is a special case. So I can write y is equal to 2, which is a horizontal line. If you have one of the special case, what do I mean? If you have horizontal line or vertical line, you may give up using the formal methods. You may use some shortcuts. To find the distance will be difference of y, since you have y is equal to 2, and y coordinate of the given point. Distance in absolute value is going to give you the answer. Answer is going to be 0.